Say it fair, Piazza so, Nindian Twasso, Kutu Cranina, Pessaming coming out, Eddie ain't Bremo, the Mamaya, Sassi, Udo, what to say. Oh, my no, oh, my no, and yes, and I say, oh, my for private chat, oh, my no. Here we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, you get a tiny. Bo, Bonnie, Bonnie Dan F.A. Many my friend, he can see and many won't pay. Malabahi, can you find the Bajamin Cabo? When you look on the Lawa, I promise on my own, I'm over Taya near Shona. But in what Mina Sana, Libukuna, no Shona.
Yawaena, Jumanchia, Fico May, Cohen Kabila Capito. Zahida kai banda bambanci mudena zalunci ubangijin Allah wai ma zumunci ya fi komai annan Muhammad wai ma zumunci ya fi komai iyayen mu wai ma zumunci ya fi komai.
See, this is not a peace song, it's a love song. Peace and Ghana getting married, keep the love strong. See, a peace we cannot risk. War at home is like cardiac arrest, cause home is where the heart is. Let the trumpet sound victory. The battle that we won is the battle for a peace. We promise on the honor that we'll never fight again, cause Ghana is a happy place, the joy we should defend.
Get up, what's up, motherland? I didn't feel like obeying an atheist. I'm in love with you now.
While the rest of the world has been improving on technology, Ghana has been improving on the quality of humanity to man. And this is what Maya Angelou had to say about Ghana. And yes, indeed, Ghana turns 64 today. Ghana, our motherland, is 64. Today, I'm here with the man himself, Kwadwo Sheldon.
Yeah.
Also known as Lil Duku.
Bebre.
Just all about Duku and Nawamba. But I need to know African Prince. Today is Ghana's birthday. You're supposed to be celebrating it. I don't see African Prince.
Oh, well, I say Kente.
Anyways, hello Asampa.
What's up?
I'm fine, thank you. Welcome to Ghana 64 special on MX24.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. All right, guys. Before we dive in, we're going to listen to spoken word from the man himself, Karim. Karim, take it away.
When anyone asks you why I behave like I do, tell them that I'm a young man from far whose destiny has brought me this near. Tell them that I cannot afford to fail the very people who look up to me on a daily for inspiration. Tell them that there's a mission unaccomplished, and so I cannot stop to take second stares at barking dogs, that I am my own motivation. Tell them that I'm a young man with a vision on a mission to a destination that will redeem my people from condemnation. Tell them that I'm that small Gonja boy who wouldn't stop until I reach. Tell them that I'm a descendant of the warrior king, the spear holder, he who goes to the stream with a basket, he who weaves rocks with his palms. Indeed, tell them that I'm a true pedigree of the legendary leader Ndewura Jakpa, the warrior king who came from far and never failed. Tell them that I'm a grandson of the conqueror. Tell them that the wildlife of Mole is my playground, that I'm spiritually fortified by the azan of the muazzin at Larbanga. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Tell them that I hail from Daboya, the land of the white gold. Tell them that the fabrics of my batakri are carefully selected by the best of smoke weavers, their patterns arranged by the magnificent maidens enameled in melanin. Tell them that I'm a lion who hunts not wounded animals. Tell them that my home is the cradle of agriculture, the hub of food, and the pond of fish. Tell them that I'm not a hungry child. The Dakar, the white and black Volta lakes pass through my grandfather's house. Tell them that I will stay and build. Like an Nkrumah, I'll redeem my people from the hands of oppression. Tell them that I'm a Mandela set for a new and united Africa. Tell them that I'm a voice of a Lumumba, the fist of a Kagame. Tell them that I will stay and build. That although my founding fathers are no more, I shall carry on with their works till I am no more. For growth knows no barriers, it knows no age limits, and has no expiration dates. So far as the human species continues to multiply, so shall I grow. So tell them. Thank you.
Well, that was a very beautiful one from Kareem. Thank you so much, Kareem. I think I learned a lot, yeah. All right. So today we're going to be talking about experiences during Sit March. Question Sheldon, have you ever marched? Have you ever been a part of the students who got the chance to march? Because me, I was never able to. I'm a very shy person, so I was never able to do it. Were you able to do it?
Oh yeah, I was able to do it. I mean, Charlie.
How many times?
Oh, I think JHS or JSS I did once, but then the way the sun scorched me make my brain all turn on, so I just go sit somewhere. But yes, I would go to the market and go and buy white socks and all those things. Charlie, it'd be very, very nice experience. But then, as I said, one day I was involved in one, and Charlie, we go stand for the sun inside for like 2 hours. No water, ice king chroma maybe not. So yes, I decided not to do it again. So that was the last time I joined the 6th March whatever. Yeah, but then I've experienced it before.
And you, Asampa, what was it? Was it something you were looking forward to? Was it regionals? Was it national? You know, because there's stages, right? There's one that you do in your school, and then there's the regional, and then when you get to the national, that is when you get a chance to come to the park and then march for the president and everything. Were you able to take part in that as well?
There was this one time,
right?
Just one time that I was supposed to go and march,
right?
And fortunately or unfortunately, I was late. For me, I was very happy because I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to march. Honestly, that's hot sun. I really didn't want to. So I was late.
But you're doing it for Ghana.
Right.
Yeah, but you know, with the way the sun was blazing hot, Charlie, standing in the sun like that, Charlie, it wasn't easy. So I remember when I got there late, my teacher, Auntie Monica, she got really upset with me and all that, shouted at me and all that. That time they had already started marching. But me in my head, I was very happy. But then I was in the stands and then I was supporting my friend. Say, hey, Charlie.
So wait, which one was it? Was it the regionals or the nationals or the one in your school?
No, just the one in our school.
Just the one in your
Yes,
school?
just the one in our school. I never made it to the
nationals?
No.
You didn't even partake, so relax. It's not like you.
Oh my God.
So yeah, basically it's, yeah.
Do you think Sit March is still relevant to Ghanaians like it used to be? Because back in the days, me, when I was in senior high school, junior high school, we used to look forward to it because if your school is able to make it that far, number one, it gives you recognition, and then two, you know, seeing yourself on TV, you know, being on TV is a big deal. Do you get it? So me and my friends, we always look forward to it, but I couldn't do it, and then I was always like behind them, supporting them. Do you think it's still relevant?
For me, I think it is.
It is?
I think it is. I think the kids of today, they look up to it, you know, going on TV, marching for their nation and their kokonte colors and all that.
Right.
I think they like it. It's something that kids actually look up to. My nephew and my niece always used to tell me, I mean, because of Corona these days, it doesn't. But I remember a year or two ago, my nephew passed the comments and he was like, oh, I would love to be on TV just to march on. I think it's something they look up to. So I don't think it's changed. I don't think so. Yeah.
What about you, Loduku? What do you think?
Well, I mean, it's something every kid has to experience. You understand? We went through it, and I feel like it kind of instilled that form of patriotism in the case. You understand? Like you are going out there to march for your country and all. But then, you know, recently there have been issues of Kwadwo passe out in Adi and all those things. You understand? If they are going to limit the time they spend standing in the sun just doing let us find ways and means to modernize it, because Charlie Crawford, you will see dehydration, a whole lot of things. We don't want those things to happen. In as much as we want them to experience the 6 match and try to be part of the process, there should be ways and means to make sure that we don't have casualties when these things, happened. You understand?
And then also, considering COVID and everything, do you
Yeah.
think it's advisable for the match to still hold now?
I don't think it's. What is the point? Right now,
Exactly.
we are in a pandemic. There are a lot of things going on. We have vaccines. We need to. A lot of things they happen. This is not a time to go and be doing like this and be doing like that.
They're still waiting for you to take your vaccine.
Oh, you haven't taken it?
Oh,
Charlie, if I take her,
What are you waiting for?
the thing is, me say that if I go there or when I go there, they have to give me 2 options.
Which is?
Either, so the normal injection should be there, and I would want them to put the vaccine in food for me. You understand? So they give me the. I can't take it. I'm afraid.
So you're scared of needles?
Hey.
Inti yɛmfa ne sɛ wakɔ hospital na uwu ana bibi yɛ ɔne sɛ ɔyɛ bɛwɔ paneɛ ɛno na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛwɔ like that's the only thing untumi ngye.
Rest in peace.
You're playing.
When you move on drip man.
But when him said drip na so paneɛ near the paneɛ wa no.
Rest in peace.
Oh my God. Okay, moving on. What are some of your childhood memories when it comes to games? Me, I love me some ampe, and then there's this one that we draw. Oh,
They almost draw boxes.
Yeah, then you jump. Yeah,
They
that
throw
one.
stones and all those
Exactly.
things. Yeah,
That one.
Yeah, me
Those were my favorite.
Stay for you.
All right.
Hey, then go first send you your house there. Hey. And musuo more pan then when they like it is your turn to do the like go around catching the ball and all those and you decide to run. Hey, they will come and beat you in your house. And we used to do the pilolo and all those things. Like
pilolo.
Right now, kiddies they play PS5 and things. Like the experience have no day again. We had fun growing up.
You know those iPhones and everything.
understand?
So there's not much.
People were doing mama and dada and sons. You did some, right?
Oh my God, not the mama and dada part, but
you didn't do that
part. No, yeah. Once and they will be eating from those cans.
You understand?
Oh my
and
God.
our immune system, it is built to stand out. You see the concos that we are eating from.
They're so dirty. Sometimes the water, oh my God.
Right now, people are just scared of everything.
Asampa, what about you? What are some of your childhood memories?
Oh, that's for me, dear Charlie. Mama and dada.
Wow.
Oh, mama and dada, I do some, sir. I do some, sir. But Alikoto. I used to play Alikoto.
Yeah,
Alikoto.
And then this one, I don't know the name. You know, how do you call it? Like a tire, rubber, a tire.
Yeah,
then you put the sticks.
solid.
Some water inside.
But then that thing be scary. If you dey go far away, that's
Because
too
I swear.
It's
Not
either
small.
the stakes are gonna like hit you from the side or you're
put
gonna
water
fall
in
in
there.
it.
Yeah.
Oh, I used to like that.
Yeah.
And if you're able to do, you feel like you're the old guy.
Then time Vegas say Formula 1 near the Namsan. Nah, you people are missing a lot. You people are missing a
And
lot.
at some point, was that all you enjoyed doing?
Oh yeah, I also used to play. What's it called? You see, the problem is the games. We don't know the names. That's the problem.
How
No,
no. Then why you the game?
Okay. Oh no.
You played Chaskele before?
Oh yeah, I played Chaskele.
How did it go? Tell me if you know.
Oh, I know the guy.
This guy be Dada B. You play Chaskele, you don't know how they. You know this guy.
Chaskele is what you throw.
The one,
yeah.
Oh yeah, that one.
You the DB pass.
Oh yeah, then some other ones. Then contest ball.
Hey.
Ooh yeah. Oh, and then the tie.
Oh
yeah.
The contest, but then we take go tournament too. Hey. Then we will name them Figo. Roberto Carlos. We will name the contest like players, and we go to tournament. I make salsa.
Okay, we're still talking about Ghana. Ghana is 64 today. We're going for a quick commercial break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Good day, Ghana. My name is Obritite. And today being a special day, I decided to write a happy birthday song to Ghana with her own lyrics, the anthem. And it goes something like this. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Make a nation great and strong, both to defend forever, cause of freedom and of rights. Fill our heart with a true sense of humility. Make us cherish that kind of fearless honesty. Baba, help we make a try resist. Father, help us to resist oppressors' rule, yeah. With the will and the mind we get to sing. With the will and the mind we get to sing. With the will and the mind we get to sing. Say, God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong. God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong. Great and strong. Great and strong, 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 great and strong. Go Ghana, it's your birthday, hey, it's your birthday. Go Ghana, it's your birthday, oh, it's your birthday. Go Ghana, it's your birthday, hey, it's your birthday. Go Ghana, it's your birthday, oh, it's your birthday. God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation.
That was a very beautiful one from Obrita. Thank you so much for such a soothing voice. You have a very beautiful voice.
Thank you.
And in my next live, I would want to have your voice.
Sure.
Great. Okay. Kojo, why are you laughing?
You said you're
where you stay in Accra?
Which means right now.
Where you stay in Accra?
Oh, my next live. I my next live.
Maybe small batch you not selling Dion.
Wow, Kojo, you don't believe in me. I can sing.
So sing.
Freestyle, young question.
What? But not today. Not today. No. Today is about Ghana. Today is about Ghana. Now, what do you think about music? The evolution of music, Ghanaian music. How do you feel about music before and now?
Oh, right now, if I'm to compare,
right.
Honestly, see, relax.
Let's go. Say it.
Honestly.
Right.
Oh, can't even see it.
You know, and a lot of our music right now is, excuse me to say shit.
Thank you.
Charlie.
I don't
honestly, like
but
to be real.
people are doing well though.
Yeah. Oh yeah, just a few. But you know.
Oh
yeah, that's a very good song. That's a very
but
good
you said.
But no, you know.
He is bad, so he has a lot of
collective
sensible lyrics.
Right.
Because when I listen to the Irama Bedus and the Papa Yanks, I still do listen to them. Actually, the songs are really good with dope lyrics and how they mix the word play. You know, it's so dope and they're so creative. But these days, it's just about money, cars, and
the girls,
girls. And,
right.
Well, I mean, you can't blame. It's basically the trend, the pop culture trend, comparatively to, let's say, their era. No, probably the music taste for audience-wise, maybe it has changed. So right now, they feel like the audience, they want to hear about girls, they want to hear about motors, they want to hear about cars, they want to hear about drugs and all those things. So that is what they are feeding them. But one thing I would say is we have moved from people sitting down, crafting like correct lyrics to me ame dokono, me ame hono, me hono. And it is sad.
You know, the lyrics is so raw.
It's like right now, they just go to the studio, DJ boy a beat.
Yeah.
No, kwasi asem na. Near quit. But you see.
Okay. Do you think, Asempa, it is because we are in a world where it's more is led by technology, you know, back in the days, it was different. Now we're in a whole different world. Civilization is like up to say, I'd want to say like an 80%, you know, like we were saying earlier, young people do not play the games we used to play. People are playing PS5, there's iPhone, there's Samsung, you know, there's all of these things, there's social media, you know, all of these things. Don't you think it has kind of made it this way?
You know, just like what my brother Kwadwo was saying, it's with the Western culture, okay, but not for me particularly, not for music. Music technology hasn't really affected. I mean, it's just that we are just doing a lot of crap music.
Probably for distribution or something.
Yeah, it's just
for
crap.
tech.
Right.
It's just crap. But in terms of, but you know, the food and then other stuff, other aspects, yeah, I think it's the Western culture. I think so. And with social media now, I think it's taking away, you know, a lot of the games we used to play and all that. Right now, you have kids on their phones on social media now. They wouldn't be playing Chaskele and all those things. And then with PlayStations and all that. So yeah, it's with technology, and that's Western culture. They brought it.
You know, Kwadwo mentioned the profanity in music. I think it was before. Daddy Lumba did it.
Yeah, but listen. Let us be serious here. Let us be serious in this country. Daddy Lumba was casting sexual innuendos in a way he said, where the 55 crown on ring question, you wouldn't understand.
Exactly.
Say it is not like that too. It is pa.
It's very raw.
They don't
Very
care.
raw.
They don't care about the people at the receiving end. I don't know the censorship, whatever position in this country. But as I said, Kwadwo will sing a song, or Kwadwo will sing a song about a woman. The way he go craft the thing, if you not really be deep, you not go understand. But he's basically talking about that particular thing. Right now, it is not that. And it is sad. You understand? We don't polish the content. We don't polish what we say. We don't care about who is going to receive it at the end. It is just, let us give it to them. I'm not going to immune, or I'm not going to say I'm not part of the problem, because we do break down some of the songs that we are here complaining about. But at the end of the day, if you are in the studio, if you are in the booth trying to record a song, you know, say, my phone base, you know, right now, access to information is very easy. Access to your song is easy. So if you know this song is going to be on a platform where kids and all those things are going to get, access to it, not say profanity, no, you are not going to. Well, platforms like YouTube, YouTube for kids, you can go and post. Yeah, they have like the structures to make sure say they control all these things, what they are saying. But when you come to our airwaves and all those things, sometimes it be a problem.
Daddy Lumba has the song, Pony.
Yeah.
You know, it was just recently I listened to it and then I realized that, the song is actually profane.
He was actually
yeah,
saying.
you know, but it was with the way he twisted the lyrics, and if you're not that matured, you don't understand that, you don't know he's actually talking about sex.
Okay, so are you guys saying that after 64 years, when it comes to music and lyrics, do you think we're going back instead of like moving forward and making it better?
Well, you see, we are moving forward as an industry, but you see, when it comes to the lyrics and all those things, it's like everyone is trying to be organic, everyone is trying to be flat. It takes, look at One Corner. It has like 2 sentences, J, One Corner or whatever, something, I don't know, 2 words or whatever it is. It became a global hit. You understand? Consumption patterns, it has changed, you understand? But at the end of the day, you shouldn't sacrifice quality for what? Because you need to be calculated, you understand? In as much as you just want to be part of pop culture trend and say whatever you want to say because, yes, you have the platform. Try to put yourself in the position of the person who is going to listen. Because, see, I do break down for a lot of songs and people are spewing rubbish.
I actually agree with you, because sometimes you hear some songs and the fact that they've even been given a platform to show it on TV, play it on TV, it's really appalling. It can get really, really annoying as well.
Yeah. For me, I don't think we've moved forward. I don't think we've moved backwards either. For me, I think we are moving sideways. Yeah, I think we are moving sideways.
Well,
it's like I think we are moving sideways. It's like we've created this new genres.
You understand?
You know, you are listening to hip hop, but it's not even hip hop.
That's a hip dia.
Like, it's a different thing altogether. And it's just very sad that the new generation, the Generation X,
This is what we want.
This is what they want.
Gen Zs.
Gen Zs, I
Right.
mean, this is what they want.
What do you think about commercials? Quick one. And then after, we're going to talk about movies as well. So commercials, what do you think?
As in the commercials they show on
commercials,
television.
yeah, the show on TV.
You know, I don't watch traditional, I don't watch TV because I have all the content on my phone, but I do watch a show. Like, I have this show I watch on every Saturday, and when they are playing the commercials, I weep for myself and humanity. Some of the adverts, it's like, I just don't understand the concept. And when somebody has thrown pine, you don't see any creativity, you don't see anything.
Sometimes you feel like the concept of the commercial doesn't even go with the product
Yeah,
or
like,
the brand.
It's just them and because, well, at the end of the day, they have a target audience, and that is what they want. That is the voice they want to hear. That is the line, like the content line they want. But sometimes you watch some of these adverts and you go like, what is happening? Because you watch the big, I mean, if you watch CBS and all those things, you see like, Charlie, they show us and you see, say, nah, this one, you see the Super Bowl or what's it, Super what? Is it Bowl? Super Bowl. Super Bowl. Look at the ads they show.
Right.
Look at the ads they rolling and all those things. Compare it to what we are doing. I'm not saying, some of the agencies are doing brilliant job, but majority of the content they put out there as adverts, please, let us be serious as a country.
You know, with the ads, for me, it's particularly Western influence.
Right.
You know, I think we are trying to copy them, but we are not copying them well.
We are not doing it well.
You understand?
You know, when you say we're not copying them, I think I agree with you. When you say that, I think you mean, so instead of doing the research, you know, to get to know the ideas behind it, we just look at it and go like, okay, I think this is cute. I think this is cool.
Exactly.
Like, let's recreate it.
And the execution is poor. Like,
exactly.
You don't even, they don't have the resources.
Because those people, they have the resources, they have the money.
Exactly.
But we don't even like to invest in it. It's so sad.
And you are in the space.
This comes down to us being influencers.
Yes.
It is so sad. People do not like to invest into the craft, but then they want quality.
Yes.
If you want quality, how can you not invest?
Exactly.
You get it. You have to invest to be able to get what you want back. This is why I love, okay, it's about Ghana, so.
But even commercials aside, now we are in a digital space. So now let's look at TikTok, let's look at Twitter, let's look at Instagram. A lot of the challenges are not even started by us.
No.
How many challenges do we even start?
Yeah.
Let's say we start something right now. How many celebs, or let me say, how many people are even going to jump on it?
Yeah, because the exposure is...
But bring Bottles challenge, bring Bassett's challenge, or you bring, what's it?
Kitchen stew challenge.
Oh, they'll do it.
Yes.
And it will be a trend.
You know, I think it's high time we start believing in ourselves and then, you know, trying to put something out there, because when we do it and we do it properly, people are going to see and fall in love. Now, the white people are in love with blacks. Like, they love the culture, they love Africa, they love what it looks like, they love to come here and learn. So I think we should stop thinking, okay, we can't do it.
They are even telling us
because they can
our
do it
stories.
better. Exactly.
Yeah, they are telling us
I
our
think
stories.
we should just stop saying we can't do it and then start doing it. Because when we do, they're going to copy. They do box braids now. They do the cornrows. They wear the wigs and everything.
Exactly.
They're looking at us. They're copying. It's just that they make it their way. They make it unique. So when you see, you go like, oh my God, like I want that.
And when you see,
but then you forget you did it first.
And when you see Beyonce's dance movement, her dances, her choreography and all that, you see Azonto, you see Shang.
Exactly.
And all those
she comes, like she flies dancers from Africa to come teach her how to dance.
Yeah.
Now, Asempa, what was your favorite commercial when you were growing up? Which one was your favorite?
So many.
Asempa.
So many. But then, okay, yes, there's this particular one.
Asempa is a DB.
But Asempa, if you're a DB, I feel like you should know this because on TV a lot.
There's this one that I used to like.
Okay.
Which one?
It was a key soap ad.
Okay.
And he was like, we will be beating mouth.
Oh, yeah.
That's so better. If you be now with and do, I'm like the way social media go move to them. Because it was basically promoting some form of anti-feminist ideology or something like that. I mean, the conversation on social media the last time was that if it had been produced in this era, that everyone is getting offended over nothing. About that advert no go last 3 days. Yeah.
Sheldon, what about you?
Oh, me, Akwala Okoen. You see that?
Oh, that was like Meko Library. Oh, that was my favorite one as well.
So, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. The whole cartoon.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That was epic.
Say no to drugs.
The little boy looks like you.
Yeah. The person who created it, like, I mean, I wasn't... was I...
I think you were very little.
Yeah, so the person actually had the vision that a guy is going to come out and he's going to look like this, so let me do it like that. So yeah, but
I'm actually picturing it. And it's true, it looks like you.
I don't sell drugs though.
Like
I don't sell drugs. Say no to drugs.
Right. Talking about movies, how do you feel about them?
See.
Why the
Listen, I'm coming. You see what is happening now? The Kumawood industry is dead.
Yeah.
Gollywood, I don't even know if they exist or not. Now, all the Kumawood people are transitioning from the...
Wait, Sheldon, not to cut you, sorry, but then, so comparing the old commercials to this time commercials, do you think back then it was way better?
Better?
Yeah.
Oh,
way better.
It was way better. Why do you think we have memories of some of the adverts?
In terms of creativity,
yes,
it's way better.
Okay,
way better.
So I think we're going to check out one commercial from back in the day. So you guys stay tuned. Let's watch this.
I hope they are not...
Sun is burning, you are yearning for something cool just for you enjoy. Refreshing, satisfying, nutritious, delicious, cool and nice. Enjoy.
What's up? Honey? 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 Oh, honey. Honey? 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 Hello? Honey? Hello? Honey? 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 Hello? Honey? Honey? Baby, hold on. Honey? Honey? Honey?
It shouldn't be so hard to stay connected.
Charlie, next time use Tigo. Okay?
Join Tigo, the network that actually works.
Tigo, express yourself.
Medofopa. If you be brave, I'm sure we. One name is your mother. We are near my bebre, mammy. We are boafo pa. Now, when you mad it, try me power. We sham no. Ain't na mamma say we are soon quio.
That's all, mammy, on Pemasamo.
Oh, Mickey soap you want dancing, I'm ready you. What is say, we be a Daniado?
Kiso, the best.
Oh, I can't also fast to say, we are from we. Mr. Bosso fast to say, we are we. Ejakodu, Ojama Devi, Ojawa Devi, Ashfum, Ejakodu, Ojama Devi, Mr. Ojawa Debeno. It's true. I swear my father can't tell you only pay here was at this. Did you be fra? Did you dignity better? I didn't was me and Paso. And my own home popo. Only what was your phone come on. Uncope Ashful, Yahoto, Nasi, that form. A Jawajo, or the Sheba, or the Shako. Me your mama, Ghana Mamba. Untina me here, Ashfuma. Shaka, TikTok, Miss me Ashfuma. Ejakodu, Ojama Devi, Ojawa Devi, Ashfum. It's true.
Ashful. Yeah.
Never do the best. It's raining, a lot for you and me. It's raining, the golden bear. It's raining, the joy of life.
Life, you sometimes seem to be cruising along. But just when you least expect it, things could go horribly wrong.
Leave nothing to chance. For life,
pushing you for life.
Wow.
The ads are so straightforward.
Wow.
You know, you don't need a lot of
This
thinking.
is to me back in the day,
Yeah,
you know. I was
yeah.
just picturing myself as a little girl.
Yeah, a little girl near man.
Me. I didn't mean
No, should be 85. Should be
85.
This is Lil Duke trying to tell you guys his age.
Hey,
What do you guys think about the ads?
For me, as I was saying, they're so straightforward. You don't need a lot of thinking. And aside that, they are very creative. Look at the key soap, the key soap ads. Made up for Pa. It's so cool. Like he's thinking, oh, my wife is here talking to me and all that.
Back in the day, kiss up my dad.
And then I remember there was this particular ad. There was this campaign that they brought. So then there's this thing inside.
Yeah, the key.
Yeah, the key.
Hey,
so when you
we
cut
thought
it
was good.
Was
it not? It was good or what? Then it was good.
Anytime my mom will know what channel.
Oh, it was dope. It was dope. The
Oh my god.
Big ups to
But then one of the ads
ad
I didn't
there.
remember. Like I couldn't remember the ABC ad because I don't remember it.
Oh, why you lying? Man? Why you lying? You and I know say
She dey carry.
You know say like you did that advert inside.
She dey inside.
Why you dey the lie we say?
Oh yeah, then she dey inside.
She dey inside.
She dey inside.
You know they carry one crate.
She dey inside.
There was nobody even carrying a
beach
crate
there,
in there.
Someone was carrying a crate.
At the beach, it was you.
What? I'm David Dalton now.
Oh no, the other woman. It was you.
It was you.
What's me?
Someone another form of support that.
Oh no.
Right. Okay, guys. We had a chance to go into the street to speak to people. Stay tuned. See what we asked them, and then I'm gonna come back to my people and ask them the same question. But then let's watch this.
Ghana cities. That's the western region, I think. Yeah.
5 cities. Western region of Ghana.
500 cities. That one, yeah.
Is it that 5 cities or 500? Somewhere in Zulizu.
5,000 cities. Western region.
500 Ghana cities. Western region.
5,000. Western region.
And so it's 50,000, Anna. Please, I don't know.
I'll say Anna. Lil Duku.
Okay.
What is 50,000 Ghana cities and the new currency? The old currency 50,000 cities and the new currency cities.
That is 5,000 Ghana cities.
Yeah, I think it's 50 cities.
Wait, you said 50,000 cities in
old cities, old
No.
50,000 cities in new currency.
500 cities.
Because I think 1 million old cities is now 100 cities.
50,000 cities. Why are you talking about 1 million?
50,000 cities in here. 50 cities.
When you have 5,000.
And you have 5,000.
You have 5,000.
Why you don't help us? I don't know why she didn't remember.
She know the answer.
We don't remember.
It's 500 cedis.
It's 500 cedis.
But I said it.
He said
You
it.
said 5K. You said 5,000.
The zeros. Confused.
That's 500 cedis.
Hey. Okay.
But you know, I don't even remember what it looks like. The old 50,000.
Oh, really?
I don't even remember what it looks like.
Green.
I know of the...
No, that's 5,000.
That's 5,000.
That's now 50 pesos.
Yeah. Hey, but it's a 5,000.
Hey, green one.
Rich
now
boy.
2,000 no cry.
Hey, share. Say 50 pesos. No cry to me friend Thierry. Two said there. Yeah, blow.
Where is Nzulezu located in Ghana?
Oh, Nzulezu is near Takrade. Nzulezu is near Takrade. I think so. So it's in the western region.
Sorry.
I'm sure.
Western. Yeah. Hey, you know, I won't do this to myself, but anyways. Hi, we're going to go for a quick commercial break. We'll be right back. I'll tell you guys off camera, I promise. Okay. welcome back from that commercial break. If you just joined, we're still celebrating Ghana at 64 right here on MX24. Into my
correct the two and let's move.
Alright guys, so I made a mistake earlier. Pardon me, forgive me. So instead of saying 500 Ghana cedis, it is 5 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
So old 50,000 cedis. It's the new 5 Ghana cedis. Twitter from Mr. Kotojogu from Mr. Mr. Why? Please. Forgive me.
They will forgive you, don't worry. Agenda must agenda, but agenda need the memo. Me, I go join them.
But that's me or we dey inside.
Oh no, me I just go jam inside.
Okay, so we're gonna start a quiz. I have a pop quiz for you guys.
Hey.
This is my time to shine.
Hey, please, I didn't get the memo.
Now, speak up, right? You mean converting a quiz?
Well, yeah, the medium, and the word was show, and then now you're then there also. Aye. So let's get straight into it. Oh yeah. So team A, team B.
Yeah.
DDQ did the quack.
Okay. So question 1. Which year did Ghana gain independence?
6 March 1957.
Okay.
1957 year. Hey, and I'm yes. I was saying I was so crying. You know me.
Contemplate.
You're ready. Social studies. You're ready.
7 with the declare.
19. Why should they laugh me? Like they confuse me.
Wait. Ask the question again.
I said, which year did Ghana gain independence?
Yeah, pay you they want. 1957.
Okay. Team B. Which region is Elmina Castle located?
Central region.
Team A. Who designed the Ghana national flag?
Oh, current one in the Sako there, but you people don't understand the reference. Nobody they use Ghana flag for Sako there. But original it is Madame Theodosia Okume, so rest in perfect peace.
Okay, so the Theodosia Salome Oko.
Oh, Salome the inside. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Team B. What does the color red symbolize in the Ghana flag?
Oh.
Man, come with you.
It's
like you can't come with you.
No, but the blood that was spilled by our founding fathers.
Okay, so it's the blood and the 12 of our forefathers. Okay, Team A. What animal is around the Ghana coat of arms? What animals? There are 2 animals around the coat of arms.
No, it be eagle, right? It be eagle too. I beg. Or it be, it's okay, eagle.
Okay, eagle is correct. Eagles are correct.
Why did I say vulture?
Team B. Oh my God. Which female rebelled against the British colony to defend the Golden Stool?
Yes, Antoine.
Okay.
Correct. Team A. Who is the first president of Ghana? Or who was the first president of Ghana?
Osagyefo.
What's his name?
Dr. Kwame Nkrumah.
Okay, correct.
Correct.
Dr. Kwame Nkrumah.
So you did.
Team B. Ghana was formerly known as Gold Coast. Oh, my answer more.
You spot that thing.
You for add down.
You know, that be bonus.
Now we watch an every for never.
You know, I don't know. I've not been paying attention. That's
so are you watching?
They are not watching anything.
I just redeemed myself. I just redeemed myself. Please, if you want to, troll somebody.
Please don't come and do anything to me.
He said vulture.
Oh my God.
Nah, vulture.
There are 2 vultures on the Ghana coat of arms.
Okay, we're gonna move on to segment number 2.
Okay, the harder part.
So this is I'm going to be playing you old songs.
Okay.
Then you're going to tell me who the artist is.
Who the artist is?
Yes.
Just the artist.
This one, I'm going to take your face.
The artist.
This one.
No, the artist And the title.
And the title of the song.
Oh,
yes.
I'm not.
I would die. They mean to you. I would die.
All right, let's get it. Let's go.
Okay. Me not know.
Yeah, it's an A.
Oh, this is Papa Yansen. Se usika fire de pa. Se usika fabo. Hey. Kosoko. Hey.
I used to go hard.
But it's Papa Yansen, right? Why
Yes,
not my
why are you asking me? Yes, I want to answer the question.
Papa Yansen.
Okay.
Yes.
And what's the title?
Se usika fabo. Oh my.
Okay. So you got it right. It's Papa Yansen, but then the title is Abam Kofi.
I know where made them.
This one they had.
Okay, well, okay.
I hope
Team
mine will be
B.
easier. Yeah.
The next one is for you. Let's go.
I know the best. That's I know this. Yeah, our time will go. Oh, yeah, then
Atampa.
Charlie.
I can promise.
So, that Lumba. Oh, some.
No, I didn't
say
Lumba.
No. I didn't say Lumba. Oh, maybe some group B. Some group B. They call them
Migos.
Kobe Warrior.
Yeah.
Kobe Warrior. Oh, true. It's Kobe Warrior.
That's wrong.
Oh.
That is Yesumpo by Pabubu.
Actually.
This is Pabubu.
Yeah.
Make us every
So you say they don't know.
Hey, I can walk the ball band. Yeah, thank God.
A group called what?
Oh, Kobe Warrior.
I didn't Kobe Warrior.
My mommy's favorite group.
You know, I'm always favorite group. I
Sorry,
just want to
it's AB Crenso.
AB Crenso.
Yeah.
So like you don't go get out.
I got it.
It's AB Crenso.
Yeah, AB Crenso.
And then the title is
Yeah, you do.
Devil.
Devil.
Devil by AB Crenso.
Yeah,
Okay.
Abrante amachi de day. Ofri Asante Achema gogo.
Ezan, what's the title of the
E
song?
ma pe soko na ma pe. Apada wesua.
Yeah, that's the
You got
title.
the easy
That's the
one.
title. I can't
How is this
remember.
easy?
Not the easy one.
Yeah,
This one is easy. This one be easy.
This
Oh my God.
Then they cheat.
Okay.
Then they cheat.
Okay.
So the next one is for you.
They cheat.
Answer this one. Okay, this one will be cheap. You know we'll get this one.
Charlie, my own hardware.
Oh no, you will get this one. Oh, it's me, I remember.
Open you come now, baby. That be name.
Opinion.
Open you come now, baby. You mention his name.
Make an answer. This is Dr. Pabubu. Yes, and you title you
Charlie, my
forget.
own hard.
It's also
Watch it. Oh, Fansabe woman.
No, so you should have gone to that
I
side.
should have-
At the beginning there, how will I know?
Ma, you said the person is what?
Dr. Kwadwo or something.
Sorry,
Okay, there's the last one. There's the last one. So this is okay. This is coming back to
Sorry,
you.
Franco.
Asampa, this is coming back.
This
to
should be easy. This should be
you. Okay.
As
So
a
let's
person.
one last
should
one.
be
For
easy.
Asampa.
Hey, if you don't get this one, then. But you know the person. So say the person.
But the thing is, the two of them, when they come to me, Papa Yansi, then Jualaka.
Yeah, the two.
Then they call me.
This is actually Papa Yanks.
Papa Yansi.
Yeah.
Those two, they always confuse.
Just who they want you about Kumpo.
Oh, but I semi got this one correct.
Sampa shocking me.
Wow,
Okay.
my own day we had.
So we're moving on to the final segment
Okay.
of the riddles.
Riddle.
Of the pop quiz, sorry. And these are good. These are riddles.
Hey.
Yeah.
Twy Basil.
Hey.
Where would they are? So riddles around the history of the regions.
Hey.
Hey.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, there you
Okay. So Team A, are you ready?
Let's
Are
go.
you ready? Okay. So question 1 or riddle 1. In the Cape Coast Castle lies a door you cannot pass through twice. You cannot pass through twice back in. Sorry, let me take it again.
Why answer question one?
No. in Cape Coast, in the Cape Coast Castle, lies a door you cannot pass through twice. Back in the old days, what am I? So in the Cape Coast Castle lies a door.
The door of no return.
Okay, that's correct.
But you government me so
you boy are doing the easy ones.
Duku gang.
Okay, so Team B. Okay. I am a saying that makes people put their hands across your chest when they recite me. What am I?
The national pledge.
Hey, pressure.
Yeah! Make you recite.
Recite the pledge.
Oh, Charlie, why you doing? No. That is not the question.
Recite the pledge.
Just as somebody, yeah, blow.
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength. With all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to uphold in high esteem our heritage one for us through the blood and
you say our heritage one for us.
Isn't it? Our heritage.
I'm trying.
Our heritage.
Okay.
Our heritage one for us.
Okay, back to you, Duku Gang. I commanded a soul unifying symbol from thin air. Who am I?
A comfort, Kwadwo Anane Anochi.
Hey,
yes.
You this. Okay, Team B, this is for you. I am not an egg, but I can be bitten. I am an instrument that can speak a form of sound when bitten with sticks. What am I?
Bitten with sticks.
Yeah.
Oh, they say value, no. Hey! Wait, come again.
I am not an egg, but I can be beaten.
Beaten.
Yes, beaten.
Oh, gong.
I am an instrument that can speak in a form of sound when beaten.
Me answer man.
With sticks.
Gong.
No. Me answer man.
Yeah.
Fonton from. I said it. Fonton from.
It's a talking drum.
Oh.
Fonton.
I said Fonton from.
That's
still got to correct.
What?
No, we said it at the same time.
Intro.
We said it at the same time.
Anyway.
Okay, the last one. Azampa, this is coming to you again.
Okay.
I was born on Thursday. I led an army of 5,000 people of the opposite gender to rebel against the British colony. Who am I?
Please don't say Tracy. I thought you were going to say Tracy, but I think
All right, that is correct. And this is the end of the quiz. How do you feel about yourself?
Asempa.
And Charlie, when the pledge thing, Charlie, I don't go forgive you. Yeah.
You don't recite.
Hey. Asempa, how do you feel about yourself?
Oh.
You are forgetting a lot.
Yeah, Charlie, I forget things, but
we move.
I mean, it's not a good thing. We need to know all these things, you know. Yeah.
As I say, I know. Twitter and Dawson.
Yeah,
Twitter, I hope you're watching. I hope you're paying attention. I hope I was able to redeem myself because what just happened is more than what happened.
But I tried though. I was able to.
You did well. You did well.
As I'm part of shout. Just
a little duku tino.
Hey.
Duku no bibi she.
Yeah.
And I'm from from I drink so fine.
So out of the quiz, everything you had 5 points.
5 points. Charlie, not bad. Of course.
And then Kwadwo Sheldon had 9 points.
Yes. Gang. We do this.
I think I did the photo from.
I didn't from.
The photo from I had the correct.
I didn't from what?
It be 6. I guess 6.
Oh my god. All right. Okay, so we're going to go in for another spoken word from Karim. Karim, take it away.
Take me back to when the moon was in full glare at the public square in no other part of a Bibiman than by the big white edifice constructed by the Danes by the sea, when families sat to enjoy the night meals and plan the days ahead. We were stripped off our own panties in our own nation, crippled by the manacles of segregation and the chains of discrimination working under another man's supervision. We were made to believe we were the worst on earth and needed no education, for they knew what will become of us if we had information. We were locked up in sexy dungeons, guarded by darkness worse than load shedding. Our women lost their honor to the holy men, and our men bent to dig the foundations of today's higher skyscrapers with cane stripes on their backs like zebras in the wild. They killed our innovation by their cruel oppression. We had no rights. The saying was, there is no you, there is only what I want you to be. And so we had no option than to listen to he who was a god of the time to save ourselves from the crack of the whip. And if we resisted, we were dumped in the middle of the sea like used condoms dumped in water closets. Our names were changed from Kofi to Kofi, from Kuntakinte to Toby, from Busumfie to Busumfield, until the day a man marched us all to Lincoln Memorial to tell us about his dream, to tell us not to wallow in the valley of despair, to tell us that a day will come when the black man will no more be judged by the color of our skin, but by the content of our character. And so we didn't hesitate as we all gathered at Lincoln Memorial to hear the story of a hero, since we had long awaited to be emancipated from slavery. We supported him with so much bravery, devoid of any thoughts of treachery. We were filled with so much pride and confidence knowing who we were. We knew we had something so great. Yet all those times, they made us feel our skin was a metaphor. Now we found ourselves again. And that's why I am not ashamed to call myself the son of a black man, because I know that I'm privileged, though they hid my father from the knowledge of his origin and fed him with tiny porridge. That's why I hesitate not each time I pick up my boots to do the black march. I don't care if they hoot at my color. Because being black is knowing that Kwame Nkrumah, Patrice M. Lumumba, Nelson Mandela, Julius Nyerere, Tafawa Balewa, and the likes fought to redeem us from the hands of Mr. Rooney. Being black is that infectious smile I have on my face when my brother greets me in the morning with that odor emanating from his buccal cavity. Being black is knowing that the MPP's elephant stands under PNC's coconut tree for shade, walks through the rain with NDC's umbrella over its head for protection from GCPP's dose droppings. Being black is knowing that CPP's cock, which Kwame Nkrumah left behind, shall crow at dawn, awaken us all to PPP's call. PQFP's keys open our doors to peace, stability, and development in this country. Happy Independence Day, Ghana. Thank you.
Names have been changed from Kofi
to Kofi.
Hey, it's not Kofi.
Kofi.
Kofi. Hey, media.
Okay, all right, guys. This has been plus 233 Chat on MX24 special edition for Ghana at 64. Thank you guys for coming. I had fun having you guys here.
But next time it'll be like if for Bayam government or some social studies.
You better government has become on.
Question. Come on, man. Quit tripping. Duku. Hey.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, we're gonna leave with another song.
See, my intro.
Okay, yeah, intro. No.
DJ Boy and
Okay.
I don't have fun, but take
oh, you know, question there, I don't need one, join your crowd. Begin the jury, Cabell, don't see Musuroshi. No boom crime, no boo, it's me, I brace, avatar. Bawa say, myself, now for Wako Mama, make one. Bawaku Mama Mo, Bawaku Mama Mo. Shadow can I say, you say, Che be the me, Che be the me, Che be the me, Che be the me.
One time.
Change be a thing. Obi bam money meal, money meal, money meal, money meal. Obi bam money meal. I mean jamming I say what? Obi bam money meal, money meal, money meal, money meal. Obi bam money meal. I mean jamming I funny say usro, nasroma. Funny say we Jimmy, nasroma. Funny say we Jimmy. Nasuma, Fanny say where 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 Jimmy. Nasuma, Woody enemy into your cockrum.